Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to tell you why you should buy a small capacity motorcycle. Cue the intro. So in this episode, we're going to try to prove why you should buy a small capacity motorcycle. Number one, of course, is fuel prices.
So as we know, the cost of fuel at the minute is absolutely ridiculous. They're saying that the average cost of a tank for the average family car is about 100 quid. You fill one of these up, what's it cost you? It costs you about 10, 15 quid maybe. But these things sip fuel. As they're riding along, they're just sipping at the fuel, hardly using any. So these are the most economical vehicles you could get. So why wouldn't you want a small bike?
And then, of course, there's the myth about these being really slow. And I get it. You own a 1000cc motorcycle of pure magnificence. These are tiny and you instantly think that they're slow. But they will do 60 to 70 miles an hour. It's the national speed limit, and you can have the most amount of fun that you can possibly have on a motorcycle.
So most journeys in your car, let's be honest, most of them are only short journeys, aren't they? So I live 3 miles from my work, so this is perfect for commuting to work and back on. So why wouldn't you? But then on the way home occasionally I think, well, I need to pick up a few beers. Where are you going to put it on these, you might be asking? Well, on here I have a handy little thick clip that pops out so I can hang a shopping bag on there. I've got storage in there for putting extra beer in, and if I want more beer, I've got a whole compartment under the seat there for filling with beer, so I can carry a lot of beer on this bike. So you don't need a car, you don't need a boot, you've got all your carry space on here.
Now, another myth that people talk about with bikes like this is that they sound like sewing machines. They say they're embarrassed by the sound that they make. But I have a 10 shit exhaust. Don't add the T to the end because obviously it says 10 shit. A 10 shit exhaust. What makes this bike sound like a proper massive CC bike.
So most importantly, what are they like to ride on the road? How much fun are they? Well, let's find out. Let's get a gear on, let's take them for a ride.
Lots of people would be thinking that these aren't going to be able to go very quick. First things first, let's open this bad boy up and see what it can do. Already clocking 60. 63, 64, 66, 67, 69, 69, 70 mile an hour, flashing in between there. Told you it could do the speed limit and break it.
Are these bikes fun? Yes, of course they are. They're little bikes, they handle really well. I mean, look at this. This is fun. Woohoo! I mean, we're talking miles per hour here. These things give you massive amount of miles per hour. They're so much fun. They're not big. They're not dangerous. They're not, you know, you don't feel like it's gonna kill you any second, like a big 1000cc sports bike will. But these things are fun. You can get knee down, nearly, not quite, but go around the corner. Woohoo! It's just fun. Why wouldn't you want to ride a little bike fast? There's more fun riding a small bike fast than a big bike slow. Look at this. These corners. Whee! Whoa. That is just so much fun. Yes, come on little Vespa.
And then the other thing is price. I kid you not. You could pick up this monkey bike. There's a 2021 bike for, I kid you not, £3,000. And the Vespa, you can pick them up, a really good one, from about £1,500. What bike can you pick up that incredible for that little money? It says it all. These are well good value for your pound.
A lot of people think that small bikes are no good for adventuring on. Well, they are wrong. There are many people who use these bikes, they load them up, they stick all the camping kit on them, and they go on big trips. There's somebody who has recently just ridden all the way round the outside of the UK, 4,000 miles on a 125cc bike. There's nothing you cannot do on these bikes. And of course he went all the way round and he was probably getting 50 to the gallon. Why wouldn't you want to do it on a small bike? There's no reason why you wouldn't. There's nothing you can't do on these little bikes. Nowhere you can't go. You can even use them off-road, as we have proven before. So yeah, go out and get one.
So we've given you every possible reason why you should buy a small CC capacity bike. But of course, the best thing for us to do is let the bikes talk for themselves. So we're going to end this awesome video on the montage.